Hi, I'm John Henry, the Changeover Wizard at changeover.com. Wrote the book on changeover, 2 of them actually. You can find complete information at pacmacbook.com. When you're setting up a machine, say a cartoning machine or a case packer or a lot of other types of machines, you'll have a number of adjustments that you have to make. Sometimes 10, 15, maybe even 20. Ideally, the machine will have scales on it so that you have a numeric value to adjust to. Problem with scales is that they get dirty, they get damaged, it's dark, they're hard to see. You need a set point list. You need to be able to read the set point list correctly. It's sometimes hard to do when there's a number of different settings. You get the wrong column, wrong line. Or maybe there is no positioning device. You have to use an external gauge. These get lost, they use the wrong ones. And what happens is they'll use a bottle or a part to do the setting, put it in place, adjust in until you almost touch it. And almost can vary quite widely depending on the judgment of the person doing the setting. So what happens is you get the machine set sort of correctly, and then once you start running, you have to keep stopping to fine tune, adjust just a little bit in, just a little bit out, whatever, to get it to work. This is a rotating gauge. Very simple, it's just a little wheel with some, in this case, screws with a couple different designs, ways you can do it. And instead of needing a checklist and needing to set to a number, in this case you've got 3 different set points and you say set everything to red. So now you rotate the red screw under the set point, move in till it touches, bang, you're set. No judgment, no looking for gauges, no trying to read a checklist or a setup sheet. Just set everything to red. Go through and find every gauge, turn them all to the red, adjust until they touches, you're done. What could be simpler? Now, why will this save you a lot of money? If you save 10 minutes on the changeover because of this, 10 minutes a day over the course of a year, 250 days, is 41 hours. 41 hours, and if your cost of changeover is $10,000 an hour, which is probably low, but seems to be a common figure, at $10,000 an hour, 41 hours is $410,000 for a couple dollars worth of 3D filament. Now, if you don't like that investment, I'll be happy to provide all the gauges you want, and you just give me a part of the savings. But you should just do it yourself. It's a lot cheaper that way. If you'd like a copy of the STL file to make these, be happy to send them. If you don't have a 3D printer, I'll be happy to make some up for you. Just give me a holler. I'm John Henry at changeover.com. My phone number, email there in the back of my head. And love to hear from you. If you do it, I'd love to hear about your successes. Or if you do it and it doesn't work for you, I'd like to hear about your failures too, because that'll help me with other clients in the future. So that's the SMED Minute this month. Hope you benefit from it. See you next month with another one. Thanks for watching.